In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert background image behind cells in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First is we just need to open Microsoft Excel. So go ahead and go in the search bar and type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Okay, so let's get started in here. Look at the ribbon at the top and here you'll find all these tabs. Now simply click on page layout and here you'll find background. Choose a picture for your background and some personality to your worksheet. So click on that and click on from a file. So browse on your windows as to where you have saved your background photo. So I have this one from here. Okay, simply select that and click on insert, and that's it. That's how you can easily add a background image behind cells in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.